What's up guys, Cece here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be putting together some Halloween theme goodie bags, Halloween theme gift packages for boys and girls ranging from ages 4 to 10 years old. We have a bunch of Halloween themed goodies and Halloween themed candies that I'm sure the kids are going to enjoy. Let's get straight into the video. Let's get started. Okay guys, this is one of the gift bags that we'll be putting our goodies in. I purchased these Halloween themed gift bags on Amazon and it came with about 8 different Halloween themed designs that were pretty cool, and I thought it would be perfect for these gift packages.